So dear student, welcome back to this channel once again. So in the past two video we have already discussed the construction first and second. In this video we have discussed the construction third. Construction third is four sides and one angles are given, then how to draw a quadrilaterals. Okay, here is the construction third. So in this case we have discussed how to construct the quadrilaterals if the given things are four sides and one angle. Okay, so let us discuss our topic. Here is the construction third. Four sides and one angles is given. The construction third saying us if the given things are four sides and one angles are given, then how to draw a quadrilaterals. Here is an example. Example third. Construct a quadrilaterals ABCD such that AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 4 cm, CD is equal to 8 cm. But remember, in our book the given CD is given 11 cm, but here I changed this to 11 to 8 cm. Why? Because of my compass does not enlarge at 11 cm. Okay, so I changed this to 8 cm. DA, the length of DA is equal to 7 cm, and the last one, the angle D is equal to 45 degree. Okay, here is the given things, the four sides and one of the angles. Okay, now we can draw the construction, but remember first we draw the rough sketch. Okay, we must need to draw the rough sketch, we must need to scale and pencil and draw any type of quadrilaterals. That does not mean to similar to the original quadrilateral. This is quadrilaterals, but remember, always remember the given angle is placed on the below, placed on the lower side. Here I put the D angle. Okay, this one is 45 degree. Then A, B, C, D. Here is the ABCD quadrilaterals. Okay, now let's put the length of each of the sides and angle. AB is equal to 6 cm. Also I write here 6 centimeters. BC, AB is equal to 6 cm. So I write on the AB side. Here is the DC. AB is equal to 6 cm. Okay, now BC is equal to 4 cm. CD is equal to 8 cm and DA is equal to 7 cm. Okay, and the angle D is equal to 45 degree. Here I write all the things in the rough sketch, but remember in the original sketch we does not need to write all these things. Okay, so here I draw all the original sketch. First draw a ray. The ray was starting from the point D. Okay, then measure the AD is 7 cm. 7 cm. 7 cm. So here is the 7 cm. Here is the point A. Okay, here you get AD. The length of AD is 7 cm. Now in the point D we construct 45 degree. Okay, it means first we construct the 90 degree angle here. Okay, this one is 90 degree. Then equally divide into 2. This one is 45 degree. And extend this one to the point X, named as dx. Okay, so ACD angle, first we construct the ADX angle as 45 degree. ADX angle. Okay, this one is 45 degree with DS is center and radius 8 centimeter, radius of 8 centimeter. But in your book the radius was 11 centimeter because the length of CD was given by 11 centimeter, but I changed to 11 to 8 centimeter, so I measure the length 8 centimeter here, 8 centimeter. Now I draw an arc. Okay, so this is the point A. We get the point C. C is here. Okay, easily we get the ADC angle. Here is the length of AD is 7 centimeter and length of DC is 8 centimeter. Okay, now draw an arc with AS in center. Draw an arc and the radius 6 centimeter. The radius of 6 centimeter, first to measure the radius of 6 centimeters. This one is 6 centimeter. I draw an arc here. Okay, now with CS in center and radius of 4 centimeter, and the center was C, draw another arc cutting the previous arc at point B. Okay, now I measure the 4 centimeter, CS in center cutting this previous arc. Okay, this was the point B. Now join both the point BA and BC. So this one is our required quadrilateral. Okay, so ABCD is our required quadrilateral. Okay, so if you does not understand the construction of quadrilateral, then comment in the video and share this video to anyone. Okay, so have a good day to all of you, and in the next class we have discussed the next construction. So have a good day to all of you and take care. Bye.